So today we are going to get started with Excel. This is one of the most popular tools in the world and very high in demand in the market right now. So let's get started. It does not matter what industry you're in, Excel is being used everywhere. Learning Excel is very interesting. Also, this is very easy to learn. Let's get started. Excel is a spreadsheet program. So now what is this spreadsheet program? It is designed to organize the data, do some calculations and analyze data using a grid of rows and columns. Okay. You'll notice that in Excel, the data will be stored in the form of rows and columns. It is designed to organize data in a structured manner. It is used for calculations and to analyze the data. As we all know, Excel is developed by Microsoft. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Microsoft Office suite has many things: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, OneNote, all these. Okay, out of this Microsoft Office suite, Excel is one of them. It is widely used for organizing, analyzing, and manipulating data. Excel allows users to perform calculations like you can calculate sum, average, multiply, all that. Create graphs and charts. In Excel, you can actually create good looking dashboards, manage large data sets. Its primary features includes cells and grids. Okay. Here you'll notice that the data will be stored in grid format, intersection of rows and columns. Here you have formulas and functions. A lot of important formulas and functions are there, like sum, average, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, all these. It is used for data visualization. Obviously, we can visualize our data as well, not just performing calculations and storing them in a form of grid. We can do a lot of data visualization in this. We can create pivot table. Basically, we create pivot table to summarize our data, which we are going to learn. Conditional formatting. Conditional format means, for example, you have 10 students data here. You have 10 students and then you have scores. Okay. Let's say within second, you should know, let's say you are having 100 students. Okay. Let's say you have 100 students and in the next column, you have student scores. Now, just by looking at just in a glance, you want to understand what all students have failed. So now if you color all the students scores, students who have failed, okay, those who have failed, you want to color them their scores in red color, and those who have passed, you want to color them in green color, right? This is one of the examples of conditional formatting. Okay, which will, by doing this, you will be able to understand that, okay, within a glance, majority of the students have passed or failed. Okay, we'll practically implement this. You're going to understand this better. Automation, we can also automate things in Excel. So now in Excel, what all data you can store? You can store the data of sales and profits. You can store the data of budget like this. Okay. And then you can create a customer database, which will look like this. And then you can also create charts, and your Excel charts are going to look like this. And also you can store your furniture sales. All this you can do. So if you're using Mac, using Excel on Mac is quite similar to using it on Windows. If you're using Windows, Excel is something which is inbuilt for you. But if you're using it on Mac, how to install this? You need to go to Mac App Store or download it from the Microsoft Office website. You may need a 365 subscription to use the full version. Or what else you can do? You can use Excel online. Excel online through Excel for the web. Here's how you need to do. Go to office.com. You just need to go to office.com and sign into your Microsoft account. Okay. Just go search office.com. Here you need to log in using your Microsoft 365 account. And then once you have done this, you can start using Excel online. Okay. It might take some time to load, But once it has loaded, you can start using Excel here. Okay, there is currently nothing here, but you can start exploring Excel in this office.com.